Hectic. It means very busy and full of activity. Example: my schedule has been so hectic lately, I barely have time to relax. Occupied. It means being busy or actively engaged in something. Example: she was too occupied with her work to notice the time. Tied up. Means to be very busy and unable to do other things. Example: I'm sorry, I'm tied up in a meeting right now. Can I call you back later? Scorching. Means extremely hot. Example: the weather is scorching today. Make sure to stay hydrated. Sizzling. Means very hot or characterized by intense heat. Example: the steaks are sizzling on the grill. Sweltering. Means uncomfortably hot. Example: it's sweltering outside. I can't wait to get back to the air-conditioned room. Chilly. Means uncomfortably cool or cold. Example: it's a bit chilly this morning. I should wear a jacket. Frigid. Means very cold. Example: the temperatures are frigid this week. It's going to be below freezing. Freezing. Means extremely cold, often below the temperature at which water turns to ice. Example: I forgot my gloves, and now my hands are freezing. Scared. Means frightened or afraid. Example: that movie was so scary, it left me scared to go to sleep. Frightened. Means feeling fear or worry. Example: the sudden thunderstorm left the children frightened. Terrified. Means extremely scared. Example: she was terrified when she saw the large spider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.